When it comes to air power, every homeowner needs the performance of a Clutch air compressor. They deliver air power you need for all the jobs in your garage or workshop, from inflating, fastening, and cutting to nailing, stapling, and light metalwork. Models ranging from 20 to 60 gallons are ready to deliver up to 3.7 horsepower and up to 175 psi max pressure for optimum tool performance, with low-maintenance, oil-free options available. Portable options with dual pressure gauges make monitoring pressure in the tank and at outlets easy. Quick connect fittings make hooking up tools simple and fast. And a higher capacity stationary unit provides more air to power a wider range of tools. Check out the entire line of Clutch air compressors. Why wait? Get yours today.